Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. In our last episode, we made our way from Arambol to Panjim, and in this episode, we'll be exploring the colorful streets of Fountainhas in Panjim.
Welcome to a brand new season of Punker's Note, where we bring to you Goa the way we see it.
We are Urvi and Utsav, full-time travelers and digital storytellers. We call Goa our home for the next 1 month and bring to you some amazing content as we experience Goa from north to south.
It's a beautiful morning in Goa and we have woke up quite early today. We are almost halfway through our journey in Goa and it has been an amazing trip so far.
Goa has so much more to offer other than only beaches and churches. We are in the state capital of Goa, Panjim, which is located on the banks of Mandavi River. The city has cobblestone streets lined with colorful villas and bungalows from the Portuguese era.
Hey, this morning we are out to explore the heritage quarters of Panjim. We'll really soak into the morning vibes that Panjim has to offer, and it's going to be very interesting for us. There will be a lot of good pictures that we try and take, right?
Yeah. So we are all dressed up in the morning and ready to explore.
We are walking through the colorful areas of Fountainhas.
And obviously this is a session that is completely dedicated to photography. This is one of Urvi's favorite.
We are at the colorful stairs of the Fountainhas. We'll walk up and take some cool pictures.
Those were the rosy shots and this is the hard work. Coming up and down those stairs almost gave us a morning exercise routine.
But it was so much fun to climb up and down these colorful stairs. Now it is time for some breakfast. We have come to Caravella Cafe for breakfast. It's a very cute cafe. It is in Fountainhas area and I have ordered myself a strong Americano. That's quite strong. It's definitely a wake-up call.
With the right dose of wake up, we have ordered 2 Goan delights, Goan chorizo roll and a bibianca. The chorizo is the pork and bread roll, whereas the bibianca is the local Goan dessert. We will start our day with a bite on the chorizo roll.
Chorizo is a highly seasoned chopped or ground pork sausage mixed well with garlic, onion, paprika and black pepper. And these all wrapped up in a fresh Goan bread. Look how soft and fresh this bread roll is. It looks extremely tempting and the aroma is so flavorful. And the soft bread is stuffed with chorizo sausages. I am told it's a little bit on the spicier side, so let me test it. The bread is ridiculously fresh and the pork meat is so tender inside. I can feel strong flavors of garlic and onions. It has a very interesting taste. I am really liking this in breakfast.
Now it is time for Bebianka. It is a traditional Goan layer cake which is derived from Indo-Portuguese cuisine. It is made out of flour, sugar, ghee, egg yolk and coconut milk. That's a mouthful bite of Bebianka. It's a unique Goan dessert. We have had it in the past, but this one is by far my favorite. It's a coconut based dessert made out of jaggery, I guess, and it has lots of layers. The way it is prepared, it has a very unique and interesting taste and a great delight. Now the breakfast is done. We will go ahead and explore a bit more.
We have just come out of the Caravella Bistro and the people here are so friendly and so smiling that they will almost fill your stomach with that smile. It was a great experience for us and it's a highly recommended place from our end.
Yeah, the cafe setting is also very nice and cozy.
Yes.
And the owners of the cafe, they come and chat with you. They are very nice and friendly. We had a great time there. You can definitely come and check them out. Now we'll go back to our stay and come back again in the afternoon to go to a local hotspot, Joseph's Bar.
We are currently in Joseph's Bar in Panjim area. It's a very laid-back setting in a laid-back bar, liked by the locals and tourists alike. And I have ordered a glass of Coke and Urvi would be testing a Feni cocktail.
Feni is a local Goan drink and the cocktail of it sounds interesting. So I've ordered a Tamre Rasa, which is a kokum based Feni cocktail. Let me have a sip of it. It's strong. It's very strong. I don't know if I will be tipsy after this. This drink is primarily made out of kokum and feni. Kokum is a fruit that is mainly found in Maharashtra or Goa, that is the western part of India, and it's a sweet kind of fruit. I have had kokum juice before, but having a kokum feni is the first time for me. It's sweet. It's a sweet kind of juice. And with the feni, it's making a good combination.
Well, talking of combination, what great can be than a nice spicy finger food in a bar setting like this. We have also ordered a chorizo sausage bread and it looks amazing. I'll test it now. Chunks of pork sausages. It's very spicy. It's a great combination to have in a bar with drinks. We just had that couple of drinks in Joseph Bar and Restaurant and it's a little hot, right?
Yeah, the sun is very high.
Yeah, the drink was very strong, so we need to go back to our stay now, take a shower
and then come back again to explore more of Panjim.
Yeah, in the next vlog.